Let's design the pumpkin spice fall drop-in today. It is coming together easily with two of our smoke tree stems. These are a beautiful terracotta blushy tone. They're eucalyptus. This is two Real Touch stems of sunflowers. The sunflowers are new this year, almost a coral color. Love that look, kind of a dusty mauve. Then we've got this paprika colored pod spray. I love that pod spray. It's one of my favorites this year. A gorgeous and rich velvet pumpkin spray in monochromatic tones of beige. And then we have this fun little burr spray. I don't know the title of it, but one of those guys for texture and interest. Let's put it together in a random vase I'm grabbing. This vase is sold online in combination with a matte black finish and a textured stoneware base. This vase and everything through the weekend, our 4-day sale for DIY, 15% off. So every single container and vase, if you need something new in your home, check that out. We're gonna start by using our smoke tree as sort of a ligature. This is gonna help us, because of the multiple stems, to insert our stems through these, and it'll keep them positioned as we design. We're gonna put it all together and then go back in and wire it at the end. Let's see if we need any stem length removed from the pumpkin spray. We want that to sit down on the surface of the vase because it will be the most stable if it does. So that's working just fine there. Let's put our pod spray in, two of those left and right of center for balance. We can always go back and range this once we get the wire on because things are gonna continue to move. So it's better just to get the heights and roughly shape it and then go back and refine your shape at the end. Our sunflower spray, it looks like all these sprays in this container are dropping in without being cut. And by the way, the container has a 2.5 inch opening and it's 12 inches tall. This piece is gonna wiggle right through over here. So we got a front and back sunflower with their buds. Love that look. And let's put him straight down the center so he can share the center with the pumpkin spray and keep this color light, which again, an alternative fall tone, kind of a mauve paprika tone instead of straight up orange. So now that we've got it all together in the vase, we want to get some wire on that. And I don't want to wire too high because if you wire right up here, you're gonna pull your look together and it's going to be more condensed. If you find the top of the neck of your vase and then drop your wire about 1 inch below it, it will maintain the fullness of your design and not pull it together so much. So that's one great tip. This is gonna be tightened up nicely so my stems don't spin. I'm gonna drop it down and wrap my wires and reattach it about 1 inch below the first band. So I'm just bringing the wires down, the same 2 wires, dropping them a little lower, wrap around my stem, and that way it gives me 2 points of wire and my stems will certainly not spin apart. They're secure. We at Magnolia's always add a little bendy vine to our drop-ins. So if you ever purchase one from us, or if you request this design to be made, a piece of bendy vine is actually something we sell in a bundle of multiple strands. This does give you a little disguise for your wire, but simultaneously, if your vase has a larger opening, the extra lengths of the vine will help create a little balance in your vase because it stabilizes. The loops of extra vine will stabilize in a vase so it doesn't rock and move in your container. So once you get it designed, go back in, pull your shape, and bend your pieces. Every stem you buy from Magnolia's is quality, meant to be bent. You're not gonna break anything by bending it around gently, and you're gonna have a better look if you shape it and balance it out. So there we have a gorgeous and really sweet little pumpkin spice designed drop-in our vase.